Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to embed Mailchimp forms in WordPress without plugins. This is a fantastic way to grow your email list directly from your website without adding extra plugins that might slow down your site. Let's dive in and get this set up. First, you'll want to open a web browser and navigate to Mailchimp.com. Once you're on the home page, look for the Login button, typically located at the top right corner of the screen. Click on it and enter your account credentials to access your Mailchimp dashboard. This is where all the magic happens and where you'll be able to create and manage your sign-up forms. After logging in, direct your attention to the left-hand menu. You'll see an item labeled Audience. Click on it and an expanded menu will appear with several options. From these options, select Audience Dashboard. This section is your control center for managing all aspects of your email lists and subscribers. Now, within the Audience dashboard, locate and click on Manage Audience. Another expanded menu will pop up, presenting you with various tools to work with your audience. From this menu, click on Sign Up Forms. This is where you'll access all the different types of forms Mailchimp offers to help you capture new subscribers. You'll now see the Form Builder interface. For our purpose today, we're going to use an embedded form that you can add directly to your WordPress site. From the list of available form types, choose the Embed option. This will take you to the form setup page where you'll be prompted to enter a name for your form. Choose something descriptive so you can easily identify it later, then click on Continue to Builder. Once you're in the builder, you'll notice a left side panel displaying various form fields you can add to your sign-up form. Click on any field you want to include, such as email address, first name, or last name. When a field becomes active, you'll have the option to set it as required by clicking the checkbox. This ensures that visitors must fill out certain information before they can submit the form. Take your time here to customize the form exactly how you want it to appear on your website. After you've finished customizing your form fields and settings, click on Continue at the top right corner of your screen. This will finalize your form design and prepare it for embedding. You'll now be presented with an embed code, which is essentially a snippet of HTML that you can copy and paste directly into your WordPress site. This code contains all the styling and functionality of your Mailchimp form without requiring any additional plugins. And there you have it. You've successfully created a Mailchimp sign-up form and generated the embed code needed to add it to WordPress without using any plugins. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.